What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka INZANE. You guys are new, welcome to the channel. I appreciate it, and I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last video as well. Truly means a lot, like always. But today is gonna be a good day. I have good news. They are working on the Supra. Yes, the Supra is being worked on finally. We're actually about to go to the shop right now to see it right now, see what the progress is, see if I can get a little bit of footage and shit like that. But definitely excited now that they've been working on it, and I just want to see what I could possibly get, because they did tell me some of the suspension probably broke. I'm not sure, so I want to go make sure with that, because if that's the case, I'll just buy coilovers and we'll go that route. Yeah, we might get another Street Hunter design wing. We might get another Street Hunter wing. I did reach out to them and they are coming through for your boy with a discount. I wish it was free, but they are hooking your boy up with a discount to get another one, which is dope as fuck either way. So shout out to them. We're about to head to the shop right now. If you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day so far, or night, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, so you guys can be part of the family and stay updated with the Supra build. You feel me? We is in the M340i, as you guys can see, and we gonna head over there right now. Oh, I know y'all hear that turbo. Oh my gosh. Sounds so good, bro. Bro, for any B58 owners, I highly recommend the CTS turbo intake, for real, bro. The spool just sounds so nice. You can hear everything. Bro, it's so loud, and that's in comfort mode, bro. Damn, I love it. And well, here's the Supra, guys. All the pieces right here on the floor. The front bumper, rear diffuser, all my shit on the ground. That's not my transmission, don't worry guys. That's not my trans, nothing, don't worry about that. Yeah, they pretty much got the car up. Quarter panel still on there. As you guys can see, the exhaust is pretty much bent. Yeah, look at that. But yeah, man, she's up on the lift now and she's planning to get fixed. Yeah, look at the exhaust, bro. Shit is bent like crazy. But yeah. Oh yeah, the suspension. So this is what they're talking about. I think they were saying something about the suspension or the axle maybe possibly being broken. I'm not sure. But yeah, it does look broken. It does look like it fell off right here on this side. Because this side looks okay, this one looks fine, and it's the springs up. But on this side, everything's just kind of falling down. You can see right here, the whole thing just is pushed in. So yeah, damn, we got some damage here for sure. Pretty much everything's off. Yeah, see this broke off. That bottom piece here, same thing with the front brace bar, broke off. Same thing with my cooler over here. Yeah, this part broke. But man, at least she's up on the lift now. At least she's on the lift. She's gonna get the work done that she needs, and she should be back on the road hopefully soon. Hopefully she's back on the road. But yeah, man, shit, a lot of damage going on. It hurts to watch. It hurts to watch, but I mean, at least she's, at least she's on the lift and she's getting work done. You guys can see the front bumper hella fudged up. Yeah, dude, shit took a beating, bro. Mi corazón. Dang, did they chop the wire off? I wonder if they did. Bro, I had just got these lights too. I had just bought these and they're fucked. I just got those. Yeah, man. Here she is in broken pieces, and hopefully back on the road very soon.
Just went blank.
So I left the shop now, guys, and well, it was some pretty good news. They're working on the car. His mechanic, he told me his mechanic had left because he had like an emergency. He should be back tomorrow and getting back to working on the car. But other than that, pretty good news, pretty excited. you know, that it's gonna be back and everything. It's gonna be back on the road, you know, in no time. And you know, the 2.0 version will come back. And bro, I'm super excited now. I'm really happy, bro, that, you know, it's getting saved. I just can't wait for it to be back, bro. I just can't wait. Every time I'll be watching Supras drive by, or if I see the video, I'm like lucky, this and this. And I know it's been a while since I've been able to update you guys, but like, same thing with me, man. I've been waiting to get updated as well. And I finally was able to get the time and go over there and get some update footage for you guys. It's on the trailer. I mean, on the lift, nothing much has really changed other than that they took off the pieces. But I mean, it's up on the lift, and like he said, his mechanic had an emergency, so he should be back tomorrow and they'll work on it. And he did tell me he'll get footage for me and everything. Oh, and he actually was just telling me that he was gonna go right now to check about the suspension for the rear, because yeah, as you guys saw, it was broken, the left rear side. So yeah. Oh, also, my dad got a new toy. Yeah, bro, my dad bought a Can-Am, and this thing is sick. I have yet to drive it. Yeah, I've yet to drive it, so in today's video we're gonna drive this thing because I want to see how it feels, you know. Like, I've been on these on dirt and everything like that, but I've never driven one myself. So today, later, we're gonna be driving it and seeing how fast it is and everything, because bro, this thing is sick. The mom and dad already took this out already, and they went out with my cousins and they had a blast. Unfortunately, I couldn't go, but it's all good. There's always other times, but I definitely want to ride this today, and we definitely gonna get it on the vlog, so it's gonna be sick. All right, it's time to ride this thing. Oh, bro, there's so much spider webs, dude. Damn. Oh. Let's see if I can start this thing. The only way this thing will go and drive too is if I put my seatbelt on. Okay, there. Yeah, put the key in. You know what I'm saying? I got it on. Oh. I don't really have anywhere to set the camera at too. And I gotta let it warm up. Oh, it's probably not such a good angle anyway.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I finally got it. You gotta give it some damn gas, bro, or else this thing won't move. I'm not used to driving these things. But we're in, we got it. There you go. Oh shit! Yeah, this shit is sick, bro. Not even gonna lie. Hey, yo. Bro, this thing is so sick. The turbo, bro. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can hear the turbo, like, very small. It's so sick. Oh, bro, it's so sick because I can hear the turbo. Bro, what? That's so sick. That is so dope. All right, now we're in sport mode, and look how the front end lifts up right now. Bro, this motherfucker pulled back. Look. Dude, this is sick. No front lifts. Dude, this shit is sick. Got her park, turn it off. Alright, cool. She's finally off, and damn, bro. Oh, this shit hurts. My ass. But bro, this thing is so much fun to drive. Holy shit, I can only imagine on the dirt, bro. And this thing is so torquey, like hella torquey. The whole front end was jumping. At first I was like, bro, how do you put this thing in reverse? Because I knew last time I couldn't put it in reverse because I needed my seatbelt. But my dad was telling me like, you need to step on it, like it has hella torque. Bro, my foot was like almost all the way down just putting it into reverse. But then I finally got the hang of it, and bro, now I just want to drive this thing in the dirt and take it up hills and everything. My mom and dad's helmet. The shits are sick. The satin black and the white, red and white. I like this one. This is sick. But the satin black is sick too. Bro, I can't wait to go one day, bro. I'm gonna vlog that too. Like all my cousins have motorcycles and Can-Ams and everything, so gotta get a vlog out with them, and I think it would be so dope. And I think it would be dope. Like it'd be dope content. It's insane, bro. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and be part of the family, and stay up to date with the Supra rebuild. We got some good news. It's now getting built. So this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.